So तीन चार चीजें मैं ओपन बुलेट पॉइंट्स में बोल दूं without taking much time of my lord. To come to my points directly, my lord, I would need my lords to please go to the backdrop which my friend Advocate General had argued. The case was initiated on a complaint of an ex-MLA who made a complaint initially to the state stating forth those points where he finds that there is some discrepancy, anomaly, nepotism, whatever. At that point of time, state did not do anything, never acted on the complaint. Please understand, my lord, please appreciate that when the PIL was filed, that was a intervening period of election. One party was ruling, the other party was the contending party to dethrone them. At that point of time, a PIL is filed by a ex-MLA who belongs to the other party, who was contending to remove the earlier. Now, in that PIL, he named nobody, barring few candidates, which he could gather. The petitioner in that PIL could gather that A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. These are candidates of nepotism. Besides them, there are other candidates. Now, my lord, in that PIL also, the state did not reply. State proactively said that we will get an investigation because there was a prayer for CBI investigation. State proactively jumped into a conclusion so that the case doesn't go further or it not decided on merits, but directly granted relief on admission of state. State said we will get it from CBI. Court said, all right, if you get investigation through CBI, we have to do nothing. Go. This matter was handed over to CBI. At that point also, state did not do anything, barring admitting those candidates out of that list who are now in service. This is the backdrop. Now, rejecting those candidates who are out of it. First question, from where you get the right by not making any statement in clarity before any authority, not even before my lords, that we will do this. You decided that these candidates are out of nepotism. इनके बारे में तो ये तो साफ है. On what authority? When you know the entire matter is under investigation. One. So my first contention is that since you have not labored on it, you have not done anything on it, you cannot by yourself, simply because you are a state, you cannot decide out of 150 are out, 50 are not out. That will have an effect on CBI investigation. If my lord would recollect, state named few other candidates, barring those who are now behind bars and those who are contending. There are other candidates of very good officers, very high posted officers. No action has been taken on them as yet. But just to save their face, they come to my lords and say, their lordship, this is under investigation, what we can do. So that gives you a curtain to hide, which you cannot do.
चले जाइए, आप भी चले जाइए मैडम, काम कीजिए.
Which you cannot do while testing the correctness of an order or of an employment which very clearly, as per them, shows a nepotism or favoritism or something malpractice. So in absence of that, you have got two ways which my friend argued. हम क्या करें साहब? या तो हम सबको निकाल दें या तो हम सबको ले लें. तो कोर्ट आपको नहीं बताएगी. आपके एक्शन को कोर्ट वे करेगी आर्टिकल 14 और 16 में. आर्टिकल 14 में क्योंकि विदाउट एनी डिसीजन, दिस इज व्हाट माय फर्स्ट लिंब ऑफ आर्ग्यूमेंट इज, विदाउट एनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन फ्रॉम योर साइड, since you have admitted those candidates, we are also online to get admitted at par with them. whatever you do, either you remove them, you will have problems that is honest in the eyes of law under Article 14 or 16. Second was, सब इनका FIR हो गया है, ये 3 कैंडिडेट का, और इनके खिलाफ चार्जशीट हो गई, इनका बेल भी कैंसिल हो गया. I argued their bail, my lords, personally, though that may not have a relevance, but for my lord's notice. The entire charge sheet as filed against me only says a statement of the brother of Sonwani. He says कि मेरा भाई पेपर लीक किया था. कैसे किया था वो मुझे नहीं मालूम, कैटेगरिकल स्टेटमेंट, वो मुझे नहीं मालूम, लेकिन पेपर लीक हुआ था, मुझे नहीं मालूम कैसे लीक हुआ था, पेपर लीक हुआ था कैंडिडेट. If that is true, I take it as a gospel truth. किसको लीक किया था? जो 14 चले गए हैं अंदर, उनको लीक किया था, कि जो बाहर है वेट कर रहे हैं उनको लीक किया? That is in doubt. So you cannot, by merely being a state, say कि 14 को तो हम ले लिया, वो आप PIL के बाद लिए. You knew what is going to come. And Lordship, a stray sentence which I think is relevant. They advertised this in the newspapers while election. PSC Ghotala, so that they get advantage. Now they got advantage. This is my interpretation. Their candidates are in. They are not to do with it. Secondly, merely because a charge sheet has been filed, should I be held guilty? A trial is awaiting. There can be a condition in my employment, which is fortified by their own statement, where they say that we have extended the probation of those candidates. How can you extend the probation without amending the law by a circular, where your service law says that there is a probation of 2 years? Am I disturbing, my lords?
No.
So when you have extended probation, means you know कि मुझे रास्ता निकालो, इनका प्रोबेशन कर दो, अगर ये अंदर जाते इनको भी निकाल देंगे, प्रोबेशन ना हो तो वो हमको कर दो. Third, they say that DSP, additional collector, is a very important post. Labor inspector is no post. Who has given you the authority to bifurcate? How can you say they are all same rank gazetted officers, class 2? How can you say that? A class 2 gazetted officer of service C is lesser than class 2 gazetted officer of service A.
It is one exam, no?
Huh?
One exam. One exam.
One exam.
And according to marks obtained,
Yes.
they were granted posts.
Yes. So now, thirdly, Lordship, fourthly, you said while arguing, which I objected, my lord, take it on record. जैसे कि हम निकाल देंगे या हम सबको ले लेंगे तो हम निकाल देंगे, तो रख लो, हम अंडरटेक करते हम बाहर हो जाएंगे अगर हम कन्विक्ट हो, वैसे ही बाहर हो जाएंगे बाय ऑपरेशन ऑफ लॉ. एंड आई एज अ कैंडिडेट ऑफ दिस गोयल एंड ये कटिहार, I can understand my situation. I won't argue unnecessarily. But even if I am in jail, my appointment is given, I cannot join. I cannot join. But for me, how others will suffer? Because 2 persons are in jail. And finally, sir, suppose कर लीजिए, आप स्टेट की बात मान लेते हैं कि नहीं साहब, भाजी साहब गड़बड़ है, इस पे मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा. Will it not, in a sense, hold CBI's investigation to be correct or conviction to be correct? कि साहब हाईकोर्ट ने तक इनको नहीं दिया साहब सर्विस, जैसे अभी बहस करे साहब इनकी बेल नहीं हुई, तो व्हाट? आई एम येट टू बी ट्राइड, चार्जेस फ्रेम नहीं हुए, बेल नहीं हुई, डिस्क्रिशन ऑफ जजेस. आई हैव फाइल्ड इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट, आई मे गेट अ बेल. व्हाट इफ आई गेट अ बेल फ्रॉम सुप्रीम कोर्ट? So I become entitled because sir मेरी bail भी हो गई means their charge sheet is bad. Can it be said? और आप lordships यहां सेग्रीगेट करने नहीं बैठे हैं अंडर 226 कि लाइए साहब रिकॉर्ड लाइए हम देख लेते हैं कौन गलत है. नो, my lords are here only to see if there is a violation of Article 14, if there is violation of Article 16, if there is nepotism in the present case, then whether the state has acted in accordance with law to labor on the issue as to whether which parties are sincerely in it or out of it. My humble prayer would remain a judgment. अब ये पेपर लीक हो गया, सब इन्होंने पेपर दिया. If the state says as on today they are resting on the investigation of CBI, they should not make a statement कि पेपर लीक हुआ. That becomes a hearsay. सब CBI ऐसा कहती है, इसलिए हमको डाउट है. कल नौकर का भी एडवर्टाइजमेंट वो दिया गया, आर्ग्यू किया गया. सब घर के नौकर को भी हम रखते हैं तो पता करते हैं. आपने तो पता ही नहीं किया, आपने पता ही नहीं किया, आप रेस्ट कर लिए सीबीआई पे. And you're dancing in the tune of CBI. CBI says, I have seen in my experience, my lords have much more experience than me.
नहीं सर.
CBI के केसेस में ये दोनों ओपन एंडेड इन्वेस्टिगेशन रखते हैं. Always, be it ED, be it CBI, the higher the officers are, the open the ends are, wider the ends are. और लोग हैं जिनका हम पता कर रहे हैं. And there is no time limit under 173(8). कि साहब रुक जाइए, एक महीने तक मत सुनिए इसको, हम थोरो इन्वेस्टिगेट करके आपके सामने पेपर रखते हैं, फिर आप डिसाइड कर. ये भी केस नहीं है, हम इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं. नाउ दीज कैंडिडेट्स बिकम द हैंड टूल्स और एट द मर्सी ऑफ सीबीआई. व्हाट इफ द सीबीआई नोट्स डाउन द नेम ऑफ द पिटिशनर्स एंड दे से इन इन्वेस्टिगेशन टेकिंग सम टॉम डिक हैरी, recording a statement as they have done in my case,